Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can easily delete your search history from your Amazon app itself. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing that you will do is you will simply go to your Amazon app, and once your app is open you will simply see this search bar above. Simply tap on that, and here you can see all the items that I have searched so far. So what you will do is you will see this cross sign beside the thing that you have searched. For example, in this snacks option that I searched, you will see this X mark on the left side, and then you will simply tap on that, and then the particular search that I had for snacks is removed. So you cannot delete all of them at the same time, like delete all. There is no option like that. So what you will have to do is you will simply tap on that X mark on every search that you have done, and that's how you remove all of the search history, by clicking that. So yeah, this is how you can easily remove your search history from your Amazon. So yeah guys, this is it for today's video, and yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and I'll see you guys next time.